How to change age on Pinterest. If any day you put a wrong age on your very Pinterest account and now you would like to change your age on Pinterest but do not know how to change your age on Pinterest, then do not worry, as we have got a perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to launch Pinterest application on your mobile device. For this, you can search the Pinterest application manually, or you can go to the search option on the top side and then search Pinterest application out there. After you find the Pinterest application, you have to tap on Pinterest application there. After you tap on Pinterest application, you can see the interface like this. This is the home interface or the dashboard of the Pinterest application. After that, you have to go to the profile icon on the downside. You have to tap on the profile icon right here and you can see the very option like this. Now you have to tap on your very profile there and you can see your very profile like this. And after that, you have to go to the top icon here. This is the option of the settings there. After you tap on the option of the settings, you have to go to the next option, that is the option of edit profile, and tap on the option of edit profile. After you tap on the option of edit profile here, you can see the next options. If you do not find the option of your age or changing your date of birth here, you have to go to the next option, that is privacy and data. After you type on the option of the privacy and data, you can see an interface like this. If you do not find any of the option there as well, you can go to the next option, that is account management, and then tap on the option of account management. After that, you have to go to the next option, that is personal information. After you tap on the personal information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of date of birth. After you tap on the option of date of birth, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very icon like here and you can change your very date here. You can change the very day. You can also change your month. You can also change the very hour date of birth or the year in which you were born, and then you can go to the option of OK. And after you tap on the option of OK, now you have to go to the option of update, and this way your very age will be changed in the Pinterest. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.